Nakuha lang natin siya ng
No, it's we found the laptop. The laptop! Are you happy? Have you already tried it? Oh, you eat. You eat.
Ow!
Yums. Sarap. We're going cycling today to Botanical Garden. Pasen? Let's go. Good morning. We're here at Botanic Gardens. Today, we're having a morning walk. Botanic Gardens, aka Arroceros Park po tayo. So beautiful. Wow. So beautiful. Nature, nature, nature. Tada.
Okay. Magmag na kami. Agawit kami kanon na panlugsunan. Kit-kitan na talig na darumor nga crocodile. Pat? Ada ka ng turtles. Turtle, where are you, turtle? Oh, there you go.
Hi! Today is day 2. Pretty say. We're going to Little India, Kampong Glam, and Bugis. Yes, walang mababaho. Chari!
Jangan tinggalkan barang Anda tanpa diawasi. Jika Anda Newton Interchange. Please mind the gap. 请小心空隙. Berhati-hati di ruang platform. Baik kesehatan
will lead the way. Tama lang yung mga dinaanan natin kanina. Wow! Sa TikTok lang kita nakikita. Now I'm not gonna take pictures anymore. No, I'm not gonna take pictures. Kaya't ko lang explore.
Pero ako gusto ko man nun, kasi na Pilipinas si Bea.
Wow, diba?
First time in history na ito.
Yes. We're here at Little India.
Tama.
I saw this on TikTok, so I wanna go. I wanna visit here. This is the Mustafa Center, where we can get and find good items. Hopefully.
Natantawis buwan. Yay, nakapayong kami! At totoo! Kadang dito may tayo video ni picture na video na yan tinap.
Hanga kaya ito yung camera ko ma.
Kapanantan.
Tangarod Albismi restaurant. So we're gonna try this Albismi restaurant. It's also my first time to eat Indian food. So
Ada kita luga.
yes. Let's go. Wow. Milo realness.
Ang dami!
Tama naman.
Hindi ko kayang tamis.
This is the Milo milkshake pero chocolate daw.
Nagawa na ang gatas. Magpitang mo, mabisin ako.
Milo realness. Order mo.
Anong order kita? Cheese ba?
Ha?
Cheese ba?
Ay, hindi cheese na unbagit.
Cheese ba?
Kasi kay butter and gano'n ko. Mas lang naglakan butter. Alam may kanikit. Lasing ko. Today we're going to Changi Airport. So we're waiting for our train to come over and fetch us going to the airport. Hopefully hindi umulan ngayon ng bongga kasi kahapon umulan ng bongga. Kaya nawalan ako ng mood mag-picture. So hopefully hindi siya masyadong, or if umulan man, di gaanong matagal. And sana nasa loob kami ng something para hindi gaanong stressful. Ayan na siya. That is the Crown Jewel. So I'm so excited. Sa mga TikTok and pictures ka lang na nakakita. And now I'm finally here. Aakyat kami because I wanted to see the whole view. That's my mom doing. Let's see. It's so pretty up there for sure. Thank you, Lord.
Hi. Are you enjoying it? Where are you?
So cool. So beautiful up here. Grabe yung ano nila dito, airport. Sobrang ganda. Ang linis, ang systematic. Sobrang ganda. Ganda ng airport, grabe. Like, ibang-iba. Walang-wala yung NAIA Terminal 3214. Rasa po. Masarap siya.